Okay, what you see here is a GE box fan. It's a 14-inch 2-speed model. Interestingly enough, its older brother is right there. And it is pretty much identical in every way except for size and the fact that these bigger models are 3-speed. But other than those subtle differences, these are the same fans, just smaller, and a slightly different shaped blade too. I bought this one at a thrift store, local, $5. Rewired the switch, or rather, I had a friend rewire the switch. Being a GE, it's got the switch on the side and the cool handle. Little motor, different looking than that one. And I'll show you here. Start with high, which being a GE is all the way. This thing is super powerful. It's amazing how powerful it is. Go to low. For being so little, it's amazing. Like, really. Out of all my small box fans, this is definitely the nicest one. There it is. I don't know what model this is actually. It's not like that's a W22. It looks like a 25, but I have the original tag. It's a 22. I don't know what the model name for this one is. It's probably W something. Maybe it's a different letter because it's smaller. I don't really know. But maybe one of you can tell me. It's a nice little fan nonetheless.